it is Mook in the V, back with another video. If y'all wondering what that noise is, man, I'm out here on the side of the road. I ain't broke down or nothing, but my wheels been losing air. And my wheels been losing air, man. So I'm out here in front of this super cold mural, man. Y'all see that right there? Love that mural, man. In fact, let me try to get it. What up, family? New day, same BS. As y'all see, man, on the side of the highway right now, man, y'all can start calling me side of the highway Mook. Oh, man, but I'm out here making some runs with my uncle. My uncle owns a very successful construction business that carries my last name, man. He always wanted me to come step in and do some work with him, keep the family business. I just so happened to get into construction myself, and it basically just was a thing that was destined to happen one way or another. So I'm gonna be stepping in, doing some work for his company for a little bit of time while I'm here. So right now I'm just making runs with him, see you know what it takes to run the business, ins and outs, making some contacts and whatnot. But we on our way out to one of the properties right now, and man, I was gonna pull the camera out earlier. We was having problems with the tire, but let me show you real quick. This thing is actually decent, man. We actually gonna get a little video. I ain't never took a spare off of a pickup before. I got a pickup myself, but I ain't never taken one off. So we was trying to get the spare off. We was having trouble doing it. We got roadside, so we just finna let them come earn their money, basically. And when I get out to the property, man, it's like a property out in the woods, so when I get out there, man, I might pick the camera back up, see what else we got going on for the rest of the video. But as y'all seen though, man, I was having my problems with the wheels earlier in the video, and I don't know what was up with that, man. It's just bad luck or something. I don't know. But after we figure this out, man, I know it's loud too, man. These cars is flying past. As soon as we figure this out, man, I'm gonna pick the camera up and we're gonna get back active. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so I had to get down dirty and change the tire, man. We was waiting for roadside to come. They was taking too long. Talking about like after we was waiting for about 30 minutes, they hit us telling us that they still ain't found nobody yet. So we figured out how to get the spare down. Like I said, got down and dirty and got the job done, man. We actually had a guy pull up and he helped us on the side of the road, man, and that's just crazy, man, because you really just don't see stuff like that, man. So I really do appreciate that guy. I was gonna pull the camera out, but in the moment, you know, we just was getting it done. And but I really appreciate that dude for that, man. He pulled over, he brought his jack out, he had a four-way. It was pretty dope, man. But we got it done, man. We on our way up to the lake property, and we pulled over to a tire place over here. We looked at it. The plug actually that the guys did earlier in the day, because we got the tire. It was a small leak in the tire already, so we went to a rim shop, a tire shop, and they put one of the plugs in there. He didn't do it properly, and it came out. And that's what the problem was. So we were all the way down onto the rim on the highway. So we put the spare on, and now we had another tire spot here, as y'all can see. And they doing it right. See, dude took a drill and drilled through. Like, you supposed to, he drilled a hole through that with an actual drill, just through it. Not the way you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to have one of them little things that look like a T, grab it, puncture it through, and pull it out. This 300 right here, decent. Good Mopar right there. Good Mopar system right there. My man did it the right way. So we're here getting it done again. Oh yeah. You already got it? Let me try to show you that Firebird. It's going crazy. Yeah, we need a video just dedicated to all your cars, man. Alright guys, so we got the spare back underneath there. That's actually my first time pulling a spare and putting it back up on a pickup. So, you know, learn something new every day. But these guys taking care of us here, man. What's the name of it? Quality. There we go right there, man. Let y'all see their name. They took it off the rim and seen that it was also a bad tire. The tire was messed up anyway. So, you know, universe speaks to you in different ways, man. So we just went on ahead and got a new tire. And we're gonna be back on the road in a minute here. See that thing? Right back to it. Alright, man, next time I pick up the camera, man, we should be arriving at the lake property. And yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all then. Some jet skis, something miles.
Big old ranch. And see all the different animals that you can hunt, but you gotta pay. You pay like $10,000, $28,000. You can go online. They bear everything.
They got like statues of what animals you can hunt.
You come out and pick it.
And all that's just running wild out here.
Yeah. Well, in certain areas, they bring it in, and then the hunters come in from all over the world.
Man, I wonder how they, what they laws is with like drones and stuff around here.
You're gonna have drones.
Huh?
You're gonna have drones with it.
Man, I should have brought my drone with me.
Yeah, you can have drones with it.
I'd have been cold to take it up and see all of this.
See, it ain't nothing but country folk. Way back in the woods. You never know this is back here.
Nah.
This is North Shore of Lake Lepine. And that's all lake out there. Oh, bam. Number lake, brother.
Man, this street too small.
I walk this.
Dang, look at these shepherds out here.
Yeah.
That joint get to you, it's a wrap.
I walk this. I'm out here in the mornings.
Yo, if you ain't got no pickup, you're not getting up that.
Shit, I don't think we get to bed, bro.
I guess I'm thinking like with snow though, so that probably don't happen too much out here.
Yeah. That's what I'm into, brother, right there.
Yeah.
And you can see that from the house.
So if one person coming on the street, somebody else got to get out the way.
That's a little spot on the corner there. You got a deck on the back of it.
See, Unc is not playing with him. Please carry. Oh, let me turn this down. I hope y'all can't hear that music. Please carry ID so we can notify your next of kin. Camera died. But yeah, man, this is nice, man. Just nice little property. Way, way out in the country. Way away from the city. That all. There we go. Look, I hear the roosters crowing. Y'all hear that?
No leaks. Wait. No leaks.
So when the people come Airbnb it, they gotta come do this, or you had
No,
the people
I
that's.
turned this off because of the freeze.
Oh, okay. And did you put this gate up around it? This was here already.
It was here, but I just kind of beefed it up a little bit. You know, just painted it. I'm gonna show you a little shack, man. This is just a two-room shack. Let's see the inside of it. Now look, nephew, that's the beauty. Look at that water, man.
Yeah, I see it, man.
You know what I mean? From
Definitely go walk down there.
Yeah, we can do that.
Nice and hot out here.
Yeah.
Probably be cool over here. Yeah, y'all, this fly, man. I love it.
On my way home, bro.
Okay, got this joint set up nice. Bathroom over here. Oh, y'all actually can see up the light on. Okay.
Light on right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. It's actually showing decent in the dark. When I cut the light on, it was too bright. Yeah, this joint is decent. What more do you need? Oh, yeah. Man, it's nice in here though.
The mud room back there. Leading out to your deck.
Chilling. Yeah, no, it's nice, huh? What more do you need? I know having the big, nice luxury stuff is cool too, but what more do you need, man? I don't need much more than this.
This is beautiful, man. My neighbor always gave me permission if I ever wanted to fish, I can just walk right down through his property. But you can take this road and it takes you back to the boat launch. We'll drive it before we leave out of here. And then this is all woods behind where you can take it four-wheel.
Back this way?
Yeah, that's all woods.
Yeah, I know it'd be nice over here when it's green.
Oh, yeah. I tried to buy this, they didn't sell it to me.
This place?
Not right here. Hold on. That's even closer to the lake. See what I mean? You can look out your window. That would have been better for Airbnb.
Alright guys, we done made it back to the house, man. Give y'all this little cold start. You know, it's been sitting here for a little second, so we're gonna get this little cold start for y'all. sound like a bomb went off, doesn't it? I just woke up all the neighbors over here. I just wanted to give y'all that little cold start real quick, man. I'm finna move the car out the way. I'm finna eat, then head back to the crib. That's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video. Gang, 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 gang.